Alright Stu, just a quick video just to show you how to calibrate the Chino. So you just turn the power on, and then if you've got a calibration device handy, just put that in the back into channel 1, set it to 0. Okay, so then to set up the calibration mode, turn off the record switch on the right hand side, or turn on the record switch, sorry, and make sure that the auto channel's off, and then flick number 1 DIP switch down to calibration in there. Once that's done, then press the left hand arrow in the mode button so the cal's flashing like that, and then press the entry button, and then 0 should flash. So at that point, press the entry button again, wait for a second or two, and then you'll hear the printhead move. So now this is just a case of lining that printhead up with 0 on the chart.
When that won't stop blinking.
Oh yeah, when it stops blinking, when it goes solid. So once that goes solid, mark 0 mark the printhead up with the chart. Don't take any notice of its scale at the moment, because what you want to do is you want to make sure the printhead's marking on the chart first, and then move the scale so it's right. So if it all looks in line, then it's good. As I say, if the scale's not in line with the inkhead when it's in line with the chart, then you've just got to adjust these 2 top screws and then line up the scale. Okay, so once that's in line, then go back down to the bottom here, press entry.
I already pressed.
Okay. And then
that red alarm will be blink in red.
Okay. Press the right button to span.
Yeah. Change here.
Okay, change your pot to 1200 degrees. The inkhead will go to the top end. Press entry again. Is it once?
Till it stops blinking.
Yeah, till it stops blinking. And then once it's solid, then you can start adjusting the span value. So again, just adjust it so that the bottom, the little print head, is just in line with the 1200 line on the graph. Like so. Once you're happy with that, entry again, you see the alarm light flashing, and then the inkhead will just go down to the bottom end. Then what you can do is, flick the little switch back to off again. It's number 1 switch, number 1 key switch that you need to switch there. Press mode, and then you're back to your normal operating mode if you turn the auto channel on. So then, to check it, what you want to do is put the pot back to 0, and then if you turn this auto channel switch on and let it print at 0, you can just check that the printing's correct. Okay, once it's done that, turn the auto channel switch off, and then you can set your pot to like 100, move it to channel 2, print again. So then move it to 300. If you turn this auto channel off again, move it to 300, print again. So basically print at every 100 interval to make sure that it's calibrated correctly. Then, by the time you get up to 1200, you should see a dot exactly on each line. If you don't get that, then you just need to go back in and calibrate it again. But that should be pretty straightforward. Alright, cheers.